Hello friends, welcome to my channel Make Cube Journey. In this video, I will show you some patterns on this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. The first pattern is checkerboard pattern. And in this pattern, we have to follow one algorithm. And the algorithm is R2, L2, U2, D2, F2 and B2. This is the checkerboard pattern. Now the second pattern is dot pattern, and for this we have to follow one algorithm, and the algorithm is this middle layer one time downside, this middle layer one time left side, then middle layer upside, and this layer right side. So this is the dot pattern. Now the third pattern is superflip, and for this we have to follow one algorithm, and the algorithm is this middle layer one time upside, U, one more time this middle layer upside, then U, then this layer one more time upside, then U, middle layer upside, and U. Now we have to face our front side up, and then this orange side in our front like this, and follow the algorithm one more time. Middle layer upside, U, up, U, up, U, up, U. Now we have to face this front side up and the left side on our front, and follow the algorithm one more time. Upside, then U, up, U, up, U, and up, U. And this is the super flip. All the edges are flipped. Now the fourth pattern is cross pattern, and for it we have to follow one algorithm, and the algorithm is R2, L prime, D, F2, R prime, D prime, R prime, L, U prime, D, R, D, B2, R prime, U, D2. This is cross pattern. The fifth pattern is called cube in a cube in a cube pattern, and to take that pattern on our cube we have to follow two algorithms, and the algorithms are F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L prime, B, D prime, B prime, L2, U. This was the one. Now we have to follow the second algorithm two times. So let's do. The second algorithm is B2, R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R, U, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, U prime, B2. This we follow one time. Now we have to follow this algorithm second time. So let's do. B2, R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R, U, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, U prime, B2. This pattern is called cube in a cube in a cube pattern. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.